Agriculture and Farmer Welfare Minister Dr. M. Amperine Lyngdoh yesterday handed over the award to the best performing Treysefa certificate holders to all the trainees who have completed their training. The minister said that the youth of the state needs to venture out into farming, as in today's competitive world, not everyone can be promised a government job. She further urged upon the trainees to impart the knowledge that they have gained during the training sessions to others. During the program, Dr. Amperine Lyngdoh, along with Isawanda Lalu, Secretary Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, felicitated and handed over the seed money to the second batch female Treysefa 2023 to 2024.
Namun pindawan bayi bidang wari yang takakamsol karte. Peki ki atma. I apa ilanovan regularize ki. Rekitlan. PPD ka goal mine of development. PPD tao way ukor. Central. Jong kata kajimpen kamti. Yakini. Kinong rep ki jongi ki bedon saudong jongi. Kinong rep kumbo ong ibapis. Kikwa ya kambaje multiplying.
Former East Khasi Hills